Good evening. My name is Professor Sumita Gulami, and presently I am teaching at SD Government College, Biawal. Our today's topic is quantitative technique, introduction of quantitative technique in decision making, and this paper is especially for the MCOM final students, EAFM. Generally, there are many authors for this subject. The name of the subject is quantitative techniques in decision making. There are generally many authors to refer this book, but we usually refer the author N.B. Agarwal. First, we'll start with the introduction of quantitative technique. What is the meaning of quantitative techniques? What are its function? What are its importance? And what are its limitation? Basically, we are going to understand the meaning of the subject which we are going to deal for the whole year. Quantitative technique in decision making, as the name itself is suggesting, there are various techniques which are used in business organization for the purpose of taking decisions. The best decisions, the best solution for various alternatives. Decisions regarding the sale of the future, profit for the future, the cost of the labor, the cost of the material, the cost of the capital, and so on. When we start up any type of business organization, whether it is insurance, whether it is marketing, whether it is agriculture, mining, banking sector, or production of any goods and services, we have to look for very alternative, and we have to take a lot of decisions. And generally the decisions are based on data. So especially in this paper, there is the important role of data on the basis of which the decisions are being taken. There are few functions of quantitative techniques. The first function of quantitative technique is to facilitate the process of decision making. As I already told you, the techniques are being applied especially for the purpose of taking decision making. Second is to provide alternative solutions to different types of decision making problem. We have to look for the various solutions as to avail for the best decision making. The third is to provide a tool for the scientific research. Fourth function is to enable the deployment of resources. Fifth, to help in the optimal resources allocation. Sixth, to help in selecting an optimal strategy. Seventh is to enable the management to decide when to buy and how much to buy different items of inventory. Again, I told you, whether it is related to the decision of stock, whether it is related to the decision of various alternative, decision of sales, decision of profit, various techniques are there for which this paper is being meant. The next function is to assist in minimization of waiting and service cost. And the last function is to enlighten the reaction of the integral business system. So these are the various functions of quantitative techniques. The next topic is use and importance of quantitative technique. What are the various importance, or in other words we can call it as the advantages of quantitative technique. First is invaluable in business, especially in every type of business organization. This technique is invaluable. Invaluable means worth employing, very important. The next function important is invaluable in industries. Industries are related to manufacturing sector. So in that we have to take decision regarding the stock, regarding the raw cost of raw material, production, sale, import, export. For that the various decisions are to be taken. Essential for planning, whether when we have to plan or when we have to forecast sales or profit, which are based on data. Again, these techniques are being used. Next is helpful in administration planning. As you already know, planning is the function of administration level. So this technique is very important at the administration level. The next importance is universal utility. It doesn't have the state utility, or it doesn't apply for the one country or for the one state or for the one city. These techniques are being universal all through world. These techniques are valid. Next is it is important in the sphere of insurance. As I told you, business organization, whichever it is type of business organization. Next, it is important in the transport sector. Next is it is very important or useful in banking industry. Next, it is also useful in military activities. Military activity means when the government has to think for the defense power equipment atoms, bombs, etc. Next is, it is important for the medical facilities. Medical facilities have a huge amount of research work to be done. Various decisions are to be taken at various steps. Next is, it is important for the agriculture sector, and last, it is very important in the mining sector as well. Mining sector is related to extracting of mineral from the earth. So these were the various importance, uses and advantages of quantitative technique. There are few limitations, as we already know. Whatever thing has advantages or utility, those things have limitations also. There are few limitations of quantitative technique. The first limitation is optimum utilization of the all resources cannot be done, as we already studied in the function ki because of the optimal utilization of resources we use quantitative technique, but it is not practically, it is not possible for the optimum utilization of resources. The next is, an accurate and effective decision is not possible. We try to take accurate decision, but sometimes decisions are based on data, and it is difficult to have accurate data. So because of that, many a times accurate decision cannot be taken. As I already told you, decisions are based on data, so manipulation of data is easily possible in this type of quantitative technique. The third limitation is availability of reliable data is not possible. The fourth is, quantitative technique is based on mathematical formula. So it is very difficult for every person to understand and to apply these models, graphs, mathematical expressions, equation, formula. So it is for every organization, sometimes it is difficult, this application becomes difficult. So these are the 4 limitations of quantitative technique. Thank you.